The anti-narcotics unit of the police force has recovered a rifle scope, namely one Tasco Red Dot sight attachment, on August 31st, 2023 in the Shadwell area on St. Kitts. The contraband was found during the search of an empty lot. The scene was processed by the crime scene unit and the item was taken into police custody. No one has been held accountable for the find. The police continue to encourage citizens and residents who may have information about criminal activity to call the nearest police station or the Crime Stoppers hotline at 707.